Hello guys, Merry Christmas and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I made a previous video about US30, expecting price to drop into this zone before exploding. So a lot has happened after I posted that video, and now I'm going to do another recap and another breakdown on the current price action right here. Okay, let's get started. So we started our analysis from the daily, then to the 4-hour time frame, but the 4-hour gave us what we were looking for. Okay. Now we identify this bullish breaker block, which we were expecting price to trade into before expanding from that zone. And as you can see, price traded into that zone and then expanding above. Now I told you that we are not going to enter immediately. Price stepped into this zone. We'll wait for a final confirmation before doing that, and then price gave us that final confirmation on the lower time frame. So if we come to the hourly time frame, so if you were watching this trade, you are going to see price displace immediately. Okay, I took some of this trade, which is this one. This was where I was expecting price to trade back into before taking a buy position, but then price failed to trade back into this position, giving me a nice entry point right here again. When I saw this displacement again from this place, creating an order block, I said okay, I was going to find an entry from this point. I went down to the 15-minute time frame, and then I saw price generating liquidity within this zone. See price generating liquidity, and then I find an entry point, which I have this fair value gap right here. I'm gonna take this off. This is just my Fibonacci level, which I use to identify my premium and discount. So when it's a buy position for me, I want to sell, I want to buy in the discount area, and then once it's a sell opportunity for me, I want to sell from the premium area. Okay, I will do a video about that after this. Now you can see this is my fair value gap, and then my entry was just below this low, this one right here, which is acting as a liquidity zone. This point right here, which is acting as my liquidity, and then my stop loss was below this low where the price movement started from, and then I was targeting this high. This is US30, and we all know US30 is good for swing trading. Okay, I don't come here hoping to scalp any position. I just swing my position to the nearest liquidity zone, and then if you zoom out to the left, you'll see we have so many liquidity resting above. We have this one right here, we have this one right here, and then pardon my drawing skills, and this one right here. So this is what I do majorly on the US30. Since I'm trading with SNS broker, the volatility is just very okay, just like EU and then GU, the volatility is very low. So if you look at my stop loss, this is 10 pips, and then my TP is like 36 pips. So you can see this is for SNS broker. The volatility is much lesser compared to other brokers. I've tested other brokers, and I've seen that US30 is something else there, just like gold. But for SNS broker is kind of different. So I took this trade, but unfortunately for me, I got taken out at break even. I was too early to set my break even when I saw price. See, I got tapped in from this zone. And then when I saw price created a market structure shift, immediately I had my break even. And then price retrace, boom, took me out. Took me out right here before expounding to my take profit, which is this place. Now that is by the way, but I took some record of these trades, which I'm going to show you after this analysis just shortly. Now, what am I expecting price to do from the hourly time frame? I'm expecting price to drop into this zone. I'm expecting price to drop into this imbalance, which I call fair value gap. I'm expecting price to drop into this imbalance, show some signs of rejection. Then I'll be targeting this high. If I'm not too greedy, this high, but I'll be targeting this high or this point right here. So that will be my target for today if I see price trade into this place. Although I don't like this price aggressive pushing down below, but I'm still going to take the trade because it all meets my criteria. And then I also had an alert set right here in case I'm not on my system. I'm going to get notified that price has come into my zone or my point of interest. Then I'll wait, and then I can short it up to this point. Okay guys, I'm going to show you briefly some of the trade I took. I journal every trade, and for each account I journal all the trades for each account I'm trading. Like for this one, I funded, let me show you, I funded $481 right here, and then I've taken 3 trades, and then this is my total profit and loss, and overall I'm in profit, and it also calculates my win rate. Now I made a video, go to my videos and then you search Notion, you'll watch how to get this for yourself. And also had screenshot of every trade I've taken, I mean for the 3 trades. Now let's go. You can see I traded gold, and then you did these 2 are US30. This one is just a counter trading. When I made that video, I had to counter trade to my point of interest, and then boom, straight to TP. This is 1:3. And then this gold I took this morning, then I had to close in lost. You can see it was going perfectly fine, then immediately price reversed, but I had to close because I don't like that pullback. Now this was a trade I took on US30 that kicked me out at break even. You can see price took me in and then took me out, then boom, break even before expanding to my take profit. So this is Notion, and then the template, I already made the video. I'll still indicate the link under this description of this video, so you can go there and then watch it for yourself. It's good to journal your trades anyway. You can see price is slowly approaching to my point of interest. Okay guys, if you like this video or you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to this video. And then the strategy I trade is smart money concept. I learned that from ICT and my mentor King Solomon. Thank you guys.